The problem is, I'm starting to grow breasts. I now have a larger bra size than my wife has. So this is getting very embarrassing, and I'm really conscious about it. I have men that whistle at me until they see my face, and then they realize I'm a man with big boobs. So I went to see a doctor, and I'm filling out the paperwork. And the paperwork, I get to the part where it says check 1, and it has male or female. I wrote in other because I don't really know where I am. It looks like I'm a man and I'm changing into a woman. Dr. Lee, can you help me?
Yes, Bob. I think this condition actually is quite common. It's called a gynecomastia, and that happens to men go through andropause, and the boys go through puberty because of the hormone imbalance. So when you go through andropause, your testosterone going down very fast, and your estrogen actually increased. And the same thing with the puberty. Boys, they eat a lot of junk, drink alcohol, and then they put on weight. The fat tissue stores the estrogen. The more fat, the more estrogen, and that's why they have enlarged breast. So other things like drugs, steroid, can also cause that problem. Testicular tumors, liver failure, and hyperthyroidism, that also the factors.
So, Dr. Lee, what would you do in acupuncture?
Um, Acupuncture help improve your liver function. So the liver function and kidney function get better, then you can clear up the estrogen faster. So the estrogen will not stay in your body for too long to stimulate the breast tissue grow and the prostate.
So, would you recommend, what if I had a breast reduction and I take the extra fat tissue and give it to my wife so I will decrease the size of my breast and she can increase the size of her breast? Wouldn't that be a good solution?
I think it's a temporary solution. First of all, you cut open the tissue, you have a lot of antigens stimulate your immune system, and then you could develop a different kind of condition. Second of all, the breast will grow back if you don't treat the root cause. I think eating more cruciferous vegetables enhance your liver function, and using Chinese herbs to decrease the estrogen level is the root cause treatment.
Thank you, Dr. Lee.